Hi friends, this is my 7th video on Name This Bird. I hope by now you might have all subscribed to my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then press the subscription button and then press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In my last video I showed you a bird. Did you recognize it? That bird is a bulbul. Bulbul is a Hindi name. In English we call it as Indian Nightingale. Nightingale because it has a very sweet voice. And in Kannada we call it as Pikalara. Now there are total 17 species of bulbuls in India. And this one is called Red Whiskered Bulbul. Red whiskered because it has a red colored patch on its face and at the base of its wings. In Kannada it is called Kemmise Pikalara. Kempu means red. Mise means whisker and Pikalara means bulbul. So Kemmise Pikalara. Today I have a big bird for you. See if you can recognize it. If you can recognize it, then write its name in the comment box. Recognize the bird. If you know its name, write its name in the comment box. And if you didn't recognize it, it's okay, no problem, because I'll tell you the name in my next video.